morning. I just woke up in my East Tower dorm, so I'm gonna go shower, get ready for the day. I have a busy day today, so lots to do. I have 2 classes today. I have Psychology 100 and Economics 102. I'm all ready for the day, so now I'm just doing some psychology review before I go to class. Alright, I'm heading down to my first class. We have to walk all the way to the AQ. Met up with Juliet. Done all our lectures, so we're heading to the dining hall. We got a rice bowl and she got a lemonade, and we got fries with a bunch of different sauce, garlic aioli, spicy mayo, ketchup, and I got a sandwich, grilled, and iced tea. We got ice cream. I just got back to my dorm. I put my comfies on and oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. And if you're gonna be living in residence or in any dorm or anything, you should definitely get them because we're not allowed to have candles or anything. So these are just a really good way to make your room smell nice, especially after a long day coming back to a really clean and nice smelling room. Also, another dorm life tip is to get lots of snacks. It may look messy back here, but those are actually all my snacks. I do lots of studying in here and around campus and stuff, and it's just really nice to throw snacks in my bag or have snacks here for when I'm studying. I believe it's 7:30 right now, so I'm gonna do some studying for a bit and then head to bed. Alright guys, I'm all finished studying, so I'm just gonna FaceTime my boyfriend for a little bit before I head to bed.